Baby, calm down. Come here. Put your ring back on.
No.
Put your ring back on. Come on.
Get ready for it.
Babe, chill. Come on. Chill, babe. It's just a prank. Chill. Babe, chill. Put your ring back on. Chill. Chill.
My foot is stuck in the door.
Damn, look at that ass. Look at that boo. Hey, babe. I like the way you walk. I'm about to go use the bathroom real quick. Alright. Oh, yeah. What's good, JJGANG? It's your boy James back at it again with another another video in here. You feel me? About to tell you, I know it's about to go on. I'm about to buy some condom springs. About to leave condoms in the car. About to leave the condom in the car and let her get it. Let her find out. Think I'm cheating and shit. You feel me? I'm trying to make this intro quick before she catch me. Let me find these condoms. Excuse me. Before we get this video started, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, man. Hit that bell, turn the post notification on. Let's get this video started. Where the condoms at, man? Okay, man. I don't know what size it is. I don't got my size. How you doing? I'm just scared, huh? Alright guys, got the condom. To be honest, they only got my size. You feel me? No cap, they only got my size. No cap, I just pick anything up. They don't got my size, bro. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and cash out and find out and take it to it and go ahead and set it up. Alright gang, I got the condoms, got it. You know they had to unlock it. You feel me? Like just some time go out here and set it up before she get back. Told her to go ahead and get some baby milk. But let's go ahead and get this video started. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Let's get to it. I'm about to go ahead and set it up. Alright guys, I'm about to set the condoms up, you feel me? Boy, it's hot. It's hot as hell, man. I'm about to go ahead and set these condoms up. Damn, it's hotter than a double butt cheeks in here. Hot. Damn. Come on. Gotta help before she get back. Yeah. Nah, I mean, you ain't know what size it is. Got anything. Now we got the whole roll. You feel me? Got all the condoms, you feel me? I'm gonna go ahead and pop one of them off. Matter of fact, I'm about to just open one of them. I'm about to just go ahead and open one real quick. You feel me? Let her think I use it. I'm gonna say my homeboy. I'm holding it for my homeboy. You feel me? I'm holding it for him. Hold on. Go ahead and throw this motherfucker back. Alright guys. Put in the box of condoms. Alright, I'm about to put the unopened condom under the chair. You feel me? Let's get back to her. Let's have her get back. You already know what it is. Cap. Let's get this prank started. Ooh. Ready, baby? So let me get home. You got the milk? Hey man, it's hot. It's hot. I don't know what. I went to the bathroom, right? Yeah, I went in the bathroom. This dude had his legs open and goddamn, when he farted, the damn door blew open. The nigga said, the whole door went popped open. I'm like, what the hell? Nah. Then it's all over the walls. I went in there like, what the hell? Man, I said, God damn.
Can you tell this bad?
Huh? My fault. I got you. You so fine, look at you. You so fine like some cherry wine. Ooh, I got you on my mind like a dime. Golly. We parked over there, you walking way over there. Boy, I say it's hotter than the devil booty cheeks, you feel me? Like you just sitting this booty cheek taking a dump on the world, you feel me?
Where's the car?
Over here.
Hey.
Come on, calm down. Just sexy tail. Here, hold the camera.
No.
Hey, it's a vlog, you supposed to hold the camera, hold it, baby.
Ooh, what's that?
Here, hold it. Talk to your people, you feel me?
All I know is it's hot, and I'm ready to go. Dang. Looking at a mess out here. People looking at me with my socks on. Huh? You said what, honey?
I said we just vlogging today, you feel me? You can hold the camera out there while I drive, baby.
Hurry up!
I'm about to crank it up. Hold the camera up there, baby.
Hold up here.
Yeah. What's good, gang? Oh, it's hotter than that butt cheeks.
The air probably gonna be, the air probably gonna be in the camera again.
I took a little bit.
Like, it's hot.
It's hot, I don't know what, man. What, about 93 degrees? Feel like 103 degrees. God damn. Woo! What's good, JJGANG, man? You know it's a little update, you feel me? We left the kids at home because we took a Walmart trip. Had to get the baby some milk, you feel me?
It's too hot for them to come outside anyway.
Yeah, it's too hot for them. We had to leave them at home. Plus, Nala want to stay inside. You know it's hot.
She don't like being outside when it's hot.
Exactly. Dang, man.
It's freak. We gonna have to turn this air up, cause
Just a little bit.
That'd be alright.
Just a little bit, baby.
Just talk a little louder.
Yeah. But dang, man. It's crazy. But dude in the bathroom, you feel me? He was stinking as hell. I'm trying to tell you. Dang. Like, golly, man. They had to clean him up and everything.
You retarded.
I think he fell asleep on the toilet or something.
Oh my God.
He was probably watching the video sitting on tuck.
Sitting
on tuck.
I'm retarded.
Damn, wait, where my wallet at?
No.
I thought I gave it to you.
Babe, no.
Hold on. We gotta turn around. Where my wallet?
Oh no!
Check on. God damn, babe. I got my ID and social security card in. We gotta turn around. We just took 10 minutes around the road. 5 minutes down the road. You know, Walmart right there.
James, how you?
Look for it real quick if I turn around. God damn.
James.
Look for it. Is it wrong? Look for it. What?
What's this?
You asked me.
Exactly. I'm asking you. What is this?
You asked me, but I don't know.
How you know?
You found my phone?
I don't give a damn about your wallet.
Babe.
What's funny? What's this?
I don't know. Did you put that in there? Did you just get that at Walmart?
I know you fucking lying. Where you been?
That's not mine.
What's funny?
That's not mine.
What's funny?
You remember that?
What's funny?
You remember that time?
Remember what time?
You remember the time I told you that's not my condom?
Who condom is it? Cause we don't use condoms. We don't
That's
use
not mine.
condoms.
You found my wallet?
I don't give a about your wallet.
Wait, why you gotta hit me?
Who you talking to?
Why? That's not my
Lower
condom.
your voice when you talking to me. I don't give a It's open. It's open. It's open. It's open. It's not my condom. It's open.
You said that's not my condom.
James, it's open.
Listen, we went to the store and got them the other day. You remember? At Walmart. We went. That's not my condom.
We don't use condoms.
That's not.
We don't use condoms.
We don't use.
No, we don't. Who use condoms?
But it's not mine. You gotta have somebody in here or something. You let somebody use the car?
I'm at work all day.
I think you let Lil use it. Liv and Ian, he probably had a car went out.
No. Ian been at work all week.
I know what it is. You remember the time?
Remember the time what?
Remember the time I told you I like hot dog. I like ketchup on my hot dog. You feel me? And you went and got the condom. I said I like ketchup.
Even then, we still don't use condoms. I know you we didn't use no condoms.
We don't use
You
said with time I said I like ketchup on my hot dog.
Exactly, we still don't use condoms.
You said, babe, that's not mine.
I showered and we did it.
That's not mine. That's not my size. You know I'm out triple R. The triple X, you feel me? That's not my size. They got custom made my condom. You know it's not mine. That's not mine.
James,
That's
first
not
of
mine.
all, you're not no triple large. First of all, let's
Who not? Don't play me.
Let's get that straight right there.
So you saying I got a little
large.
meat? You're large.
Yeah, you
got
are.
me.
Yeah.
Got
This
me. I'm
is
an
not.
XL.
No,
Got me.
you're not large. You are
Wow. First of all, I don't wear condoms.
First of all, obviously.
That's not my shit, so don't.
Who you had in the car?
I ain't had nobody, baby.
Where you go?
Okay.
So,
I ain't had nobody, baby.
So, I'm at work and you home. Huh?
Babe, it's not my condoms. It's not mine.
It's open. I don't use it. I mean, how I'm gonna use it? I don't got no.
That gotta be your homegirl or something.
I don't have no homegirls. I don't have no friends.
Okay.
Ain't nobody was in the car. I'm at work. You got the car.
I had to tell you. It was just one time, baby. It was just one time. I'm sorry.
One time what? One time what?
Baby, I'm driving.
One time what? One time what? One time what?
Babe.
One time what?
I'm driving.
One time what?
It was just one time.
One time what?
She just
One
gave
time
me
what?
head with the condom on.
One time what?
Babe, chill. Babe, they looking at us, baby.
Take me
Chill.
home. Take me
I'm
home.
going home.
I gotta go to work.
I'm
taking
home.
the car.
It was just one time, babe. Calm down.
I'm taking the car.
Who taking the car?
Yep.
For what?
I'm taking the car.
For what, babe? It was just one time. Why you with me? You through the rain. You through the rain. Come on. You see they tripping, baby.
And then you got this. You recorded.
Babe, we're making a vlog. I didn't know what you were doing. I ain't gonna post this. It was just one time, baby. I'm sorry. Baby, I'm driving. Calm down. Chill. Chill, baby. I'm sorry. Why put your ring back on? Why you take your ring off? Baby, it was just head with a condom. They don't account. It was just a condom. Yeah, put your ring back on.
I'm gonna go get some head.
You got me.
How about that?
Oh, wow. You got me up.
How about that?
How about
that? How about you take your ring? How about that?
So you trying to be a hot girl or something, huh?
Yep.
You trying to be a hot girl, all right?
Real it and real. They feel. I'm getting money here. This what it is. They wanna know what. Yep.
Don't play me.
Yep.
Don't play me. Play with your. You got me up.
Yep.
Oh, babe, for real. It was only one time. I apologize.
It was one time.
It was just one time.
Okay, and I'm gonna do it 2 times. How about that? So you know what? Post this. Post this. Let the world know what you're doing. Let them know what you're doing.
Come on now, black man don't cheat. That wasn't. They didn't count. It's only head. Why stop hitting me? Hey, chill. So stop hitting me.
It's on the head.
It was on your head.
Okay. Got it.
You good, baby?
Hurry up, I gotta go to work.
You good?
Boy, I gotta go to work.
Calm down, baby.
Better be glad I ain't beat your ass while you was driving.
Baby, calm down. Come here. Put your ring back on.
No.
Put your ring back on. Come
I gotta
on.
get ready for it.
Babe, chill. Come on. Chill, babe. It's just a prank. Chill. Babe, chill. Put your ring back on. Chill. Chill.
My foot is stuck in the door.
Babe, come on. Chill. Babe, it's a prank, babe. 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 It's a prank.
Open the door.
Babe, it's a prank. Chill. Babe, put your ring back on. It's a prank. I literally just bought no condoms. Look at the receipt. Babe, look at the receipt. Here, put your ring back on. It's a prank. I just bought. Here's a receipt. Chill. You hit me like 30 times. But you know I'm faithful. I left the car on. Baby, look. Look. Babe, look. Look, for real. Come here. Look. Babe, look. Come here, look. Baby. Oh my God, you really mad, yo. Babe, chill. It was a prank, babe. Chill. I did a condom prank on him.
Oh, what?
I just bought the condom. I did a condom prank. I left the condom open and she thought it was cheating.
I'll see you later, Mom.
Babe, really? She took her ring off and everything.
Oh, shut up.
What?
Oh,
Babe, chill.
What?
Chill, babe. Come here, come here. Come here, babe. Come here. It's a prank. Come on, you know I got you. Come on, this is how I got you. This is how I got you. It is what it is. I keep it realer than real. You know we fell. You know we do this shit. Come on now. I don't want you not fell. Baby, it's a prank. Come on now. Y'all got make sure make sure you like this video, comment, you feel me? Comment Team James for another banger, you feel me? Babe. Can you say I got you?
Yep.
I got you.
Yep.
I can't believe you said I'ma cheat on you twice. She about to get slapped. She about to get her head to the damn windshield, you feel me? Don't never say Make sure you like this video for another banger. Comment James, you feel me? Baby, can I get a kiss though so we sign up? Give me a kiss, baby. I'm sorry. Can I get a kiss so we sign up? I love you. I love you.
Love you too.
Oh, make sure you follow our social media down below. It's your boy James. We out this thing. Peace.